Chachamim have taught us that each and every Jew is and always was thirsting for more Torah and spirituality. However, in the modern era, many of our people, bereft of leadership and guidance, have lost their way, creating an urgent need for more accessible Torah. The young men and women of today are in dire need of the new generation of Rabbanim, leaders who can access the eternal wisdom of our Torah and bring it down practically today.
After a quarter of century of serving our community, Yachad has stepped into a new era. Empowered by a knowledgeable and dynamic team of young rabbis working tirelessly to meet the soaring demands of our community, especially the youth, for growth and connection.
First time that I came to Yachad, I think the first thing that stood out to me was the love that all of the Rebbeim had. Each of them cared very deeply for my learning, for my growth, for my personal benefit, to create a relationship, a real caring, loving relationship.
With all the new rabbis, I think they're very important, they're very vital, because as you have newer generations coming along, you need people closer in age to them to be able to connect. And these new rabbis are able to do that.
With over 30 programs weekly, Yachad stands on the front lines combating assimilation, woke culture, and liberalism, securing homes and hearts one person at a time.
Addition of Rabbi Moshe Usuki last year has ignited a series of new shiurim, events and activities, from classes for young ladies and women to 2 diverse Gemara tracks, lectures around town, the Shabbat Young Professional Minyan, and around-the-clock chavrutas and guidance. Rabbi Usuki has swiftly become favored in LA.
I really value that Yachad is bringing women more into the Kollel atmosphere and having classes and having more shiurim. It really has helped us become more evolved as women, to feel like we are also studying. We're not just cooking and cleaning, we're doing other things more than that.
There was a really big need for some kind of class shiur for the girls who come back from seminary, or the girls who are 18, 19, 20. It's something that the community really needed, and they put it together.
They have different events, fun events for women. Besides the fact that the women get uplifted in these programs, it creates a kosher environment for them to get together.
Rav Yachad Kollel's dynamic personality has made waves ever since his recent inception at Yachad. His high-energy classes and engaging Q&A sessions bring back the youth craving for more.
Yachad's new resident enriching, Rav Sani and Rav Daniel Dayan, elevate the neshamot of community members with one-on-one learning, classes, and a constant presence in the Beit Medrash, adding a new dimension of vitality to our institution.
Rabbi David Kollel, affectionately known as RDC, remains a pillar of Yachad. Through partnership with Olami and local Kiruv organizations, his strength in outreach has brought droves of unaffiliated Jews closer to the roots by engaging in private sessions, trips, events, and unique activities.
Rav Aaron Selay utilizes his sweet, humble personality as well as a depth of knowledge to attract a diverse audience, fostering comprehensive learning and cultivating relationships that will last a lifetime.
And as always, our senior rabbis, Rabbi Shlomo Zargari, Rabbi Shem Tov, and Rabbi Aryeh, along with our esteemed Rosh Kollel, Rabbi Levi Chaim, provide around-the-clock classes, private consultations, learning, and far more, with the utmost attention to each and every individual.
But it doesn't end there. Yachad's holiday parties, scholar and residence programs, Wednesday business learning programs, Sunday brunch and learn, packed mishmar, legal holiday learning programs, all demonstrate the extent to which Yachad is serving the needs of our ever-growing community.
The senior Rabbanim and the Rosh Kollel always emphasize continuously that we should always make ourselves available for the community members. We are here for you and the community to educate and inspire and grow together as much as possible for many years to come.
Our commitment is to educating and impacting as many people as possible, no matter what age, background, or observance level.
Maintaining a team of Rabbanim of such caliber in Los Angeles is a big financial undertaking. We have only made it so far thanks to the generosity of partners like you.
Join us in this transformative journey, ensuring that Yachad remains a beacon of connection and growth for years to come.